Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Howdy. So you want to know more about dog guard installation in a Subaru Forester? These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top-ranked site to learn about dog guard installation in a Subaru Forester is www.jcwhitney.com. See the page titled Subaru Forester Mud Flaps and Splash Guards, J.C. Whitney. Here's the link. You can also try www.ebay.co.uk, especially the page Subaru Forester Dog Guard eBay, Electronics, Cars. This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see zero.r.msn.com. The web page Subaru registered, official site. This is the link.